Only on Park Street, bro. Good Lord. Ooh, welcome back, my people. So, please, Monday, another food review. I haven't done a food review like in, I don't know, 2 weeks, man. I've been working my ass off, yo, non-stop, bro. Feel me? But today we about to go to fucking Park Street. Ooh, hold on. We back. Yeah, I hate going out to do food reviews by myself because people be looking at me like I'm crazy. Like, who the fuck is this nigga talking to? What the fuck has he got a camera for? But anyhow, we about to go to Park Street. About to hit up this place called Broasterant. Now, I've been to this motherfucker when I was, 18? There goes the fucking bus. But we could wait. I hit this place up when I was about 18 years old. That was my girlfriend at the time. She was like 35, bro. Right? She took me there. Boom, boom. The chicken was great. Chicken was fucking awesome. All they sell is chicken and french fries. I think it's run by some old, I'm talking about old lady and shit. So the last time I went there, it was right around the pandemic, when motherfuckers was just shutting shit down, and then they lift that shit up, but you can only have like 3 or 4 people at a store at one time. So I did that. I took the wife over there, but you had to call and order. So by the time that we went up there and got our order and everything else, it was already like 20 minutes. So the chicken was kind of cold. It wasn't all that good. But let's see what they do. I heard they make that shit fresh right there. You're gonna have to wait 15-20 minutes. It's all good. We'll wait. We'll do that. You know what I mean? But make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe, all that good shit. Jump cut. Welcome back, my people. So, Park Street, like really the heart of Park Street, man. This shit. I just had to find this spot. I don't know what the hell is that. I was on Google Maps while I was on the bus. Like, alright, bet I'm gonna get off here, do the little recording, do whatever and shit. But yeah, we at Broasterant, Park Street, Hartford, Connecticut, bro. Oh shit, I forgot. Look, they got a store with my name on that motherfucker. Woo. Furniture stores. Y'all niggas still got furniture stores out here? Yo, I'm Puerto Rican. Never hung out on Park Street. Never, bro. You feel me? I don't fuck with the streets, man. I just don't like the streets, man. I'd rather be at home on YouTube, chilling, watching a show or something. I'm not even past that. I know it's on this side, but damn, jump cut. Only on Park Street, bro. Good Lord. Let me get this food, bro. We're gonna eat right here and do the food review right here. Oh my God. You already know I'm about to get a 3-piece with the biscuit and french fries. Holla. Jump cut. Take your time, brother. Chicken in the airplane. Fresh chicken. That man cutting that shit up. Boom, boom. He said 20 minutes, so he's gonna sit our asses down, play some Monopoly. We'll get back to you when the motherfucking chicken get here. Yo, make sure you hit that like button and everything else. It's pretty cool out here. Got some little flies and shit, but whatever. As long as I don't get on my chicken, we are goody. I hope they take. I think they take cards. I hope they do, bro. Cause that beat. I jump cut. Yo, so I asked my mans and stuff. I was like, yo, how long y'all been here for? Cause I'm like, yo, first time coming over here, I was 18 years old, and I'm 46 now. 65 years, bro. That's fucking amazing. Same spot, everything. Man, and I guess the lady, that was his mother-in-law. So, oh, look at this, y'all. I got a motherfucking, damn flies gonna fuck with me. Gonna fuck with me hard. Thing for a free cone from McDonald's. But the funny thing is, you could only get it at one McDonald's, and it's in Mass. It's in Southwick, Mass. About to go up there Saturday to see what they do. Alright, enough talking. Went to the food, get here. Jump on.
All it takes is one simple step. And one day, it can change your life. Start working
engineered for the spontaneous, a dual-action formula that activates Viagra and Cialis. Faster acting and long-lasting. Grab the moment. Get started at
Just stop it. Just stop it. Hold on. So y'all can see what we're doing. Look at this. See that? You see that? This one right here, I'm about to take it home. But these two, I'm about to do some things to these thongs. Nah, let me stop playing. Let me stop playing. Let me set up my damn camera. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah, I don't know the settings. I don't know. I just hit record and keep moving.
skills you may not have in-house. More than 30% of the Fortune 500 use Upwork because this is how we work now.
That fucking moral.
Laser vision floor liners, no grill left flaps, cargo liner, bump step, seat protector, and comfort.
Look at that. Oh my god. The juiciness, bro. Bro.
We have a garage door in the lift.
The fries could use a little. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to spit that chop on people, so I'm so sorry. But the fries, a little bit of salt, but besides that, I think a little spork.
I can't believe I'm talking to a spork.
A little.
More delicious ways to grab.
Come on, blood. Could at least, feel me? Put a little bit more butter in there. Oh, I didn't think I was gonna go ahead and do that. Oh my god, this chicken is so juicy. Let me get one back up.
That fucking mob.
Yo, $15 for all this? Can't beat it. You cannot beat it. Put something out over here. Don't need no toast. It's perfect. Yeah.
You know something? They just do not.
The exterior. When you get that, you put that bite into it. It's just nothing but soft love. That's all that is. Say what? Soft love. Oh, bingo. I did not see those. Now we need 2 plates. Now these chickens is juicy, bro. Look.
Take your shoes off.
That fuck 'em up.
That's the review, bro. Broasterant, Hartford. You check them out, bro. Thank you for watching all that good shit. I'm trying to do my best out here. Hit that like button. See if we can reach at least 10 likes. Fuck it. And I'm still trying to reach 300 subscribers, my people. So hit that like button, subscribe. You know what I mean? Help us out. Jump cut.
That fuck 'em up.
Until next time, stay tuned and carry on, everybody.